Set the suction paper angle. When the suction skin rises to 2 cm from the paper, click Screen Settings. Set the opening angle of the suction paper to be the same as the actual angle. When the suction skin drops to 2 cm from the table, set the suction paper closing angle to be the same as the actual angle. If the paper piece jumps or deforms, click Screen Settings. Reduce the closing angle of the suction paper by 15 degrees. If the paper cannot be sucked down, click Screen Settings. Increase the closing angle of the suction paper sheet by 15 degrees.